Hello all. So once you are done with your PCB, okay, which looks like this for us, uh, you need to generate the files which the manufacturer can fabricate. Right, that's the next step once you have routed your entire PCB. So in the previous video we have seen the DRC related issues, right? How to check the DRC and how to identify the markers. So now let us just try to run the DRC. Okay, once you run the DRC, okay, so the in target is have zero errors and zero warnings. That's the target. So once you have achieved all these, okay, close the window, and once the DRC is cleared, the next step would be to generate the Gerber. So to generate the Gerber and send it to the fab house, we have to use the tools that are in the KiCad. So every PCB layout editor will create these files. Okay. So for this, go here. You can see there is an option called plot. Click on plot. Okay, so in the plot window, on the left side you can see that there are several layers which are included. Okay, we have the top copper, bottom copper, solder paste, top solder paste, bottom solder paste, seal screen, solder mask, top and bottom, and then edge cuts. Okay, now here you can see the plot format. We are actually generating the Gerber. If you want, we can generate the PDF or SVG, whatever, but we want to generate the Gerber. Okay, and apart from this, you can actually set up some of the options. So for now, when you have the PCB properly done and DRC done, when you open this plot window, you keep the options as is if you are a beginner. Okay. So a simple example I'll tell you. If you see here, there is an option called do not tent vias. Okay. So do not tent, that means via tenting will not be done. Okay. Otherwise via tenting will be done. Like example, you can see plot footprint values. You can actually go to this particular option and you can see the description of that particular option which, and decide whether you need to do that or not. So again, for now, if you are completely a beginner, keep these options as is. The important points here are include layers and then go to the output directory, select your folder. Okay, we are selecting this particular folder. Okay, right? And what you have to do is you have to click on plot, and you can see here the files are plotted. Now, one point which we see here is basically this generates only the layers. It doesn't generate the drill files. What we mean by drill files is drill files are nothing but the holes which need to be put onto the PCB, like the wire holes or any other holes that you have included on the PCB. Okay, to generate that, you have to click on generate drill files. Okay, and choose Gerber X2, and you can see the folder is selected, our particular folder is selected automatically, and you generate drill file. Okay, you can see here it is done. Okay, so now you close this and you can go to your respective folder and check the files. So the files, whatever the folder that we selected, we can actually use that particular folder, and then you can zip that folder and send it to your fabrication house. So this is the last step. Once you have the PCB ready with you, you can upload it as per your requirement, send it to your desired manufacturer, and get the PCB. So if you are working on the PCB for the first time and if you are following our tutorials, all the best to you.